So I have my project folder, and I already copied my folder structure. Then I need to prepare the 2D compiler. So I will go for the IFC or the detailed design, whatever I am receiving from the designer. Let's say we have C1 here. So for this one, I'll just open it. Okay, if it's a model, so I need to export it to 2D CAD. If it's CAD already, so no need for this step. So whatever what we have now is a Civil 3D model. How can I know? When I select any model elements, I will have it as a pipe network or the annotations. It will not be a text sometimes. Okay, so go here, export Civil 3D drawings. I will uncheck the layouts. Then I will put the same directory I have here. Go back, or any directory, any temporary directory. Let's say miscellaneous folder. I will just copy this directory. I will save there. Select this one. Export. I just need to get structures and lines. That's all. Okay. Export that. Then I will go to this directory. I will open the file. I just export it. Now it's lines and blocks. As you see, now this one is polyline and this one is a block. Okay. First step, remove all annotations. I will just keep the line and the arrows. It's okay. If you have any important annotations like this one, you should keep it. Okay. Next step is to open the line type file. Okay, now I have this file, and this network is CWork, and it's detailed design or IFC. So I'll just come here, IFC CWork, copy, paste here, match, and make sure if you have ducting or something, it should be blocked, so it will not have a line match, and it will be a lot of confusion for everybody. Okay? And I'll just select like this, select. Say I don't want to include the circles or the revision files. Okay, everything is fine. Then I will delete this one. Then I will copy this one to another folder, because very important note, the combined file, the 2D combined file is a very heavy file, so it's much better if you reduce the layers as much as you can. That's why when you extract or when you convert a file from Civil 3D to CAD, it has a lot of layers. So it's much better after you convert, you copy the data and put it in a new drawings. Okay. Then overkill. To make the file lighter and purge all. Okay, and start. Now we need to put a name for it. For naming, you can follow this code here. Utility abbreviation comes first, like for store, CWAR, subsurface, whatever. Then the type abbreviation, IFC, shop drawing, work in progress. Then the revision and the zone, and ends with date. This is the example. This is a full example. Like potable water, shop drawing, zone 2, revision 1, 20th February, 20th of February, okay, or CWAR work in progress, zone 1, 16th of March, for example. Okay, so we'll just do like what we just presented. We will come to the folder structure. This is our folder, 2D combined, and we will save it here. And the name will be sewer underscore, and this one is detail design, for example, underscore. If it has a revision or something, you can write it, or we can write the date we received this detail design. Let's say it's today. Enter. Now we have the sewer. After we prepare the sewer, we will do the same for the other zones, and we will do the same for the other utilities. You have all kinds of utilities here. Sewer, subsurface, storm, potable water, everything is included here. And also, if you want to make another utility, if there is a utility missing or something here, let's say for sewer, we don't have issued for construction yet. We need to make a detailed design, and we need to change this line type. So inside the line type folder itself, you have here the line type styles. You can update it depending on your project. Okay, after I finish all the utilities, or like we can say utility by utility, like I finish sewer, now I will make a new drawing and I will save it in the same folder. I'll just put 00 to be in the top list, and I will name it Al Nahda Combined. Enter. Then Xref, and I will start inserting the data I did. This 2D combined I already prepared for this project, so I just followed what I just presented in the sewer network. So from this one we can include sewer. We can start with the one we just prepared. SPC. Now I will come here to the combine. I will include this one. Okay. So I have my network here. Then I will include the woods. This already previously prepared, so I'm just cutting it short. We put the Kachi, existing road, landscape, road base, storm water, for example, and step by step I will include sewer, storm, potable water, irrigation. Whenever I finish one drawing, I will include it in this file, as you see. Okay, after the file loads correctly, as you can see, I will be having the networks and the road geometry, landscape, whatever. Okay, it's better to include the landscape because it's very heavy, and the roads better to make it gray, so we will avoid some confusion. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Also the cut sheets I can use it, I can turn it off, but I will just keep it inside my Xref whenever I need to know where is my sheet, where I am working, what is the name of this sheet. So I will just load it or unload it. The zone area, same. I can show where is the zone I'm working, and I always keep it off. I'll just turn it on when I need it. Okay. And after finishing all utilities, I will have this file. As you see, it has all the data. It has surface corridor. Of course, surface corridor need to be off because it makes the file super heavy. As you can see, after finishing all and every drawing in the scope, then you will have the comment codes. You will just make a new layer with the comments. This one will be dedicated for comments, okay? And when you start working, you will dedicate a single color or a unique color to each utility. For example, for root grading comments, you will put it by white color. For storm water, it will be cyan. For seawater, it will be this color. For potable water, it will be blue. For irrigation, it will be green, and so on. And whenever you start putting comments like this one, as you see, when you see this color, you know it belongs to the sewer network. When you see this color, you know this comment belongs to the storm network. And of course, if you need to get only the comments related to sewer, you just click or and make a quick selection or smart selection, and you will select the all the geometries with this color. So you will copy it one time, you will paste it in your file, and you start working on it.